All right, so on number 3, you have the coordinates 0, 1. So this is 0, 1. I would like to just think about it with 2 coordinates. 0, 1. This is your point right there. There's your ordered pair. 0, 1. And you have 1, 0. Now you're going to take both of those points and do a 90-degree rotation. So back to here and use this formula with your points. So 1, 0. Actually, we'll start with 0, 1. 0, 1 would change into, here's where your 1 was, so now you're 1, 0. So you're rotating this point from here down to here. So this is your new spot for that one. With 1, 0, go back to here, back to your formula, 1, 0, x is 1, y is 0. So now you have negative 1, negative x, your x was 1, so negative 1, and y 0, so 0, negative 1. So your new point will be from 0 to negative 1. So you're going to have a new point right here. With the 180, take these same points and you're going to use this formula for 180. And then similarly, you're going to use those points for the 270 and add those points. And then after you find your new points, connect them, both points that you just created, with this little half circle that they have here. And it should make some kind of shape that you'll recognize, a regular shape. Number 4 is very tricky. Number 4, you have the right isosceles triangle, so it's a right triangle. Remember, right triangles have a right angle inside them. So it has to have a right angle inside it. An isosceles triangle just means that 2 sides have the same length. So it has to be the same length. And just start with your points. So what you're trying to do, I'm sorry, I'll start with this explanation a little better. So 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have a point at 3, 3. You have a point at 3, 1. You have points right there and there. And you need to add a point that'll make this a right triangle. A right angle and 2 sides that are the same length. So you need to add a point. It can be multiple spots. There's actually 4 spots that'll work for this. Add a point, and it'll come on a perfect intersection. So it won't be in the middle of a square. It'll be at a perfect spot where you'll have 2 units probably. Try to be 2 units away and make a right angle because it's 2 units from these 2 dots. So this will be one of those equal sides. Then you have to rotate that triangle that you created with this point R that you make. And you have to rotate it counterclockwise 90 degrees. Now, if a shape is rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise, that's the same as rotating it 270 degrees. So you will use this 270 degree rotation, which is the same as a 90 degree counterclockwise. So your x point will be your end at the end. So you go from whatever point you had, like 3, 3, will change to negative 3, 3. So try that. Hopefully this helps. Try it out. Let me know if you have any more questions.